Good morning, my friends. We're going to get started with our morning meeting. I hope you all had a wonderful day yesterday, and I hope you really enjoyed the math lesson that we had yesterday. So, eyes up here. Get ready to read. Make sure you're sitting nice and tall, because remember, when you're reading, you want to project your voice. Excuse me. Good morning, superstar. What do you think we're missing at the end of this if we want to write the word superstars? Superstars. Very good. We're missing the letter S for the word superstars. And what punctuation mark do you think we're going to add if we're greeting each other? If we want to make sure our voice goes up when we say good morning, superstars. Very good. We're going to put an exclamation mark. Remember, we talked about this last week, but it is the same rule in Spanish. Hablamos de esta la semana pasada. En inglés es la misma regla cuando queremos cambiar algo de singular a plural. Agregamos una S cuando queremos decir más de uno. Entonces, en inglés, superstars, right? If I want to write more than one, I'm going to add my letter S. Today is blank 7th, 2020. I want us to look at our calendar. Yesterday was Wednesday or miércoles. And what do you think today's date is going to be? Very good. Today is Thursday. So we're definitely missing our day. Notice how this is uppercase. And we're definitely missing our month. Our month is May. Let's read this one more time. Today is Thursday, May 7th, 2020. We will have reading and math. What letters make the sound? Very good. The letters TH make that sound just like in Thursday, right? We hear that same sound. Now let's see what our big question for today is. You should have your notebook and a pencil in order to write your answer. How can we help our community at home? Love, Miss Salamea. So I want us to think about how we can help our community at home, because at home, I'm sure you all have a lot of things to do, and your adults at home are doing a lot of things. And I want you to think, how can you be a super helper at home? What can you do to help? I'll give you an example. In my house right now, Mr. Padilla is living with me, and he has to work just like me. And so, in order to help each other out, we constantly talk to each other and we say, Mr. Padilla, can you do me a favor? I'm going to be working in this space. Can you make sure that you stay with Burrito so that I can finish my work? And he says, yes, of course. And then we switch. And then he says, Maestra Salamea, I have to do some work now. Can you watch Burrito? So we take turns watching Burrito and making sure he goes out and gets his food so that we can all do our work. So maybe that's one way that you can help your community. You can help your community by helping take care of things while your adult is working. So for instance, if your adult is working at home, you can maybe sit next to your adult and do your work as well, right? So that you're both able to complete your work. Or if you also have a doggy like me, right? You can take care of the doggy while your adult is doing their work, right? So that's definitely one way you can help your community, but there are so many other ways you can help your community. So feel free to leave your comments or write down your answers. But I want you to think of how you can be a good community member at home, because you are all wonderful community members in our school. Entonces, nuestra pregunta para hoy es cómo podemos ayudar a nuestra comunidad. Y lo que quiero que piensen es qué pueden hacer en casa para ser buenos miembros de su comunidad. Y les voy a dar un ejemplo. A veces cuando nuestro Padilla está trabajando, yo estoy trabajando, ¿verdad? Yo le pido que él, por favor, le cuide a Burrito, porque yo tengo que trabajar, y cuando él comienza a trabajar, yo le cuido a Burrito para que él tenga un tiempo para trabajar también. Entonces, esta es una forma que nosotros dos nos ayudamos para poder trabajar. Y eso es algo que ustedes también pueden hacer, ¿verdad? En casa, tal vez pueden ustedes también terminar su tarea a lo que su adulto trabaja en casa, ¿verdad? Para que su adulto también pueda terminar su trabajo. Entonces, quiero que piensen en cómo pueden ser buenos miembros de su comunidad y cómo pueden seguir ayudando a los adultos y miembros de su casa. Okay, let's look at our schedule. Our schedule for today, we're having morning meeting. We have passage and questions. We have recess, phonics, lunch, some math, recess, and we have a sight word game for today. Actually, okay, I want you to look at the bottom because I made a quick change. Actually, we're not going to have a sight word game. We actually have some fun math videos that are going to help us with our counting to 100. I'm going to have them both in English and in Spanish, but be on the lookout. I'll be posting as well those videos. Let's look at our calendar. Okay, yesterday was Wednesday the 6th. I want us to think about what today's date is and what our pattern is going to be. Okay, and if we look at our schedule, dun, 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 we have a little frog again. Okay, let's say our date very quickly. Today is Thursday, May 7th, 2020. I will see you later for our math videos, but for our math videos, they're actually going to be fun dancing videos, okay? So be on the lookout for that later on. Goodbye, my friends.